Hello. We're excited to tell you about our updated commercial mowing portfolio for 2021.
So today we're in the Raleigh-Durham area doing some mowing with our brand new model year 21 zero-turn Z900 Z-Trax. We've got some exciting new enhancements. We're filling some gaps in our portfolio and we're addressing some customer needs with our new solutions.
Have you been wanting a Z9 deck with rear discharge? If so, take a look at the new Fastback Pro. It features a single belt design with a debris enclosure and dual trim side wear guards for optimal performance and cleaner mowing. The quick release belt covers make it easy to maintain, and the cast iron spindles, now standard on all Z900M and Z900R decks, enhance the durability of these proven machines.
That really enhances the longevity of our mower decks and the spindles, especially if the blades were to impact something while mowing.
Fastback Pro rear discharge decks come in 60-inch and 72-inch widths and are offered on both gas and diesel Z900 models, including the Z994R and Z997R. For the ultimate in performance and efficiency, a Z955R with a fuel-efficient EFI engine and rear discharge deck would be ideal for professional landscapers. And it represents the kind of quality you expect from a Z900.
So to enhance the comfort of our operators over long mowing days, we've done a lot over the last few years to incorporate some comfort features that really go a long way.
ComfortGlide is standard with all Z900 seats, and we've increased the seat back height on our suspension seat to 24 inches. And foot platform isolators and foot pegs are standard on Z900R gas Z-Trax. The comfort and convenience packages on the Z900s, like the Z997R, will always put more control at the operator's fingertips. In addition, spoked rims are now standard on Z900M and Z900R models. So, a new rear discharge deck, multiple engine and horsepower choices, all-day operator comfort, convenient fingertip control, easy maintenance. The Z900s have never looked so good.
I'm really excited to bring these mowers to the market for model year 21 with the enhancements, the comfort, the convenience, the operational performance. We feel our customers are really going to love these mowers. It's going to keep them mowing and keep them running.
A lot of thought went into improving this proven Z900 Z-Track family. Just what you'd expect from John Deere. Contact your local John Deere dealer for more information about these new Z-Tracks and keep mowing.